Looking for something fun, fast, and easy to crochet for Easter? In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 10 super fast, fun, simple, quick crochet projects you can crochet at home just with the yarn you have. No special supplies required, just some yarn and a hook. Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today I'm sharing with you my favorite things to crochet for Easter, starting with the almighty Easter basket. We all need a good Easter basket. This is a great size because it's not too big. It's not like you give it to your child or your grandchild and it's empty no matter what you bought for them. It's just the right size. The handle is included, like it's all one piece, so you don't have to stitch it on later. If you don't know, I'm not a big fan of sewing things on when I crochet, so I crochet pretty much everything with minimal stitching. Also has this cute little flower on the one side. Oh my gosh. Wait for it. Okay, I'll show you something. Okay, well, I was gonna put these later, but look what else you could do. You could put a crochet bow on it. Okay, so number 2 thing you can crochet for Easter, crochet bows. I've made a bunch of them. They're really cute. Oh my gosh, look. And then you could put it on both sides. Okay, well, the pattern comes with a flower. Feel free to put the flower on, or pop over to the easy bow and just leave those 2 tails. I should have to do it in the tutorial, but leave those 2 tails attached and just tie it onto here. Just loop them through and tie them on the inside of the handle. Boom. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I feel like I have to do that like right now, but I won't. So, crochet bows, amazing. Baskets, amazing. Also, where's my other size? Did it fall down? Yes, it did. There's also a smaller basket if you want to do a small. So this is made with 3 strands of yarn. Is it? Am I telling you the truth? Yes. So this is made with 3 strands of yarn and a big hook. This is made with 2 strands of yarn and a smaller hook. Super adorable. This would also be really cute for, like a flower girl at a wedding. You could just do it like all in white or all in whatever color the theme of the wedding is. And she could just be like, how they walk in front and put petals on the ground. It would make something so cute like that. Adorable. Really nice. It sits flat. The bottom of these baskets, designed to sit really nice and flat. So that it's not a wobbly basket at all. Other thing you can crochet, you guessed it, Easter eggs. They are so fast, so fun. They are double crochets, so it's like 4 rows and you're finished. So they're really fast. If you wanted to do, what do you call it? Like more keepsake, heirloom, you could do a different pattern that's like more detailed. This pattern is for bulk egg creation. You can whip up an egg in like a couple minutes. Really cute bottom to it. Maybe I shouldn't show you the white ones. Probably hard to see on camera. Let me find another color. There we go. See, super cute bottom. So fast and easy to do. It's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Done, tick, finished. So really fast. And you can make a whole bunch of them to fill up your baskets to have your own Easter egg hunt at home or in your garden. How fun. Also, if you just did them in white, those are really great for play food. If you have a toddler in your family, these are amazing for play food. Don't start me on the throwing toss game because you can like toss eggs around. Really like just so fun and fast and easy. So I think that's 3 things, right, that we can be crocheting for. I feel like I have to put a bow on this one too. Wait for it. Oh, no, this one needs pink. I gotta play with my bows. There we go. Isn't that cute? Flower, bow. Love it. So those are 3 things you can crochet for Easter. Let me get those bows out of there. 4th thing, is that number 4? Grass for your Easter baskets. So this is just a regular basket. If you don't want to crochet your own basket, or even if you do, this cute little grass is reusable, and it can also go in the bottom of your basket, even though you can't really see it. It's a bit dark in there. But it is fantastic. So there is a pattern to make it like round like this. There's also one to make it square if you have a square basket. And it's pretty great. If you are collecting real eggs, it has enough cushion so the eggs do not get banged in any way. Next, this is Easter grass or artificial grass table runner. So great for Easter, also just great for spring. And you can make it any size. So I just made it table runner size for the center of my dining room table. But you could also make it actually fits perfectly on top of my little bookcase, and it hangs down on each side, and it looks fantastic. Like, it looks so good, I keep it up all year round. Yes. Now, these are made with Eyelash Dazzle. It has a little bit of sheen to it. Can you see that little sparkle? But any eyelash yarn is fine. And don't worry about working into your stitches. For this pattern, work into spaces. So all you do is work along where you feel that big space. It's kind of like a granny square, and work into it. Plus, it has a super cute border around all of it. So it is a great pattern, and you make it whatever size you want, whatever width, whatever length. That part is up to you, depending on where you want to keep it in your life. So this is the artificial grass table runner, perfect decor for spring. You can also pop it in a big bowl or whatever, wherever you want to keep your grass. And then you could just be putting whatever Easter decor you have right there in a little basket. So we can start creating this one a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Let me tip down a smudge. Okay, you can see it a bit. Now, also to go in our basket. Oh, we got to put some eggs over there. Got to put eggs. I like the white eggs because they look like, I don't know, they're so cute. But of course, you could put colored eggs as well. There we go. Can you see that? Put it on the other side, maybe. Next thing, I'll show you. There's a couple different kinds that I'm going to show you. Carrots. Carrot Talk. Love Carrot Talk. So these carrots are made with velvet yarn or chenille yarn, and the top of it closes so nicely. So it's not messy at all. The only ends you have to sew in are the one from the magic ring in the beginning. Yes, it's magic ring. Got to do it. That's life. I show you how, though. Don't worry. And also the one at the tail. The rest, no sew. So those are super cute. Also look great. Got to make sure I'm holding it the right way around. Look, with a little bow on it. See, bows can go on everything. Bows are like the new it. So cute. So you can put your carrot. Oops, where can I put you? There we go. Put a little bow on the carrot. Oh my gosh. I'm in carrot heaven. Also, you can make, I don't know what number we're on. Have you been keeping track of the numbers? Oop. These are the cutest carrots. Look at the tops of those. Isn't it like amazing? It's so cool. So this is all worsted weight acrylic. Nothing fancy. They'd be great in cotton also, but nothing fancy, just whatever you have on hand. You do need a little bit of stuffing for inside, but other than that, it's just yarn and a hook and no fancy yarn at all. So this is another one. Also looks great with a bow. Fresh farm picked carrots. I'll put those over here with another bow. Gosh. I want them on my mantle like right now. Actually, I take this whole thing, this whole basket, this wooden bowl sits on my mantle. Just pretty much like how I'm doing it right now. We can also put some more bows over there. Oh, it's adorable. And we need our purple. Okay. So that, so far, great for decor. That's pretty much how I decorate my house for Easter. And then there's also, there's some other things we can also decorate. Do you see that one over there? My daisy houseplant. It's phenomenal. It's so cute. Let me grab it. If you're enjoying hanging out, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button under the video and then you can pop back over for my next video. Can you see that? So these are made onto knitting needles or barbecue skewers. I think they're barbecue skewers actually, that I wrapped in floral tape. And it also has the same grass in the bottom as the basket, but I show you how to do it in the same tutorial as the daisy plant. And they are removable completely. Let me take this one off. Oh, they're real knitting needles. That's good to know. I stabbed a cotton ball. Let me take one out a bit. There we go. I stabbed a cotton ball onto my knitting needle, and then they just have like a little lid. They sit right on the cotton ball, and you can adjust them to face whichever way you like. And then you just pop them off, put them in a wash bag, put them in the washing machine, wash them, put them back on. So there's all that dust and like dirty crochet. No, it's not because they're washable. So I just washed these. Oh, here's one with a barbecue skewer and a button that I glued on. That's way cheaper. Cheaper and easier. And then you just pop them back onto the cotton ball and point them in whatever direction you like. So this is a super fun, fast, great thing to crochet for Easter. I keep mine out all year round. I love daisies. Just checking if I'm recording. I would just suffer so much if I wasn't. Wouldn't be the first time, just telling you. So this plant, fantastic. I'll just pop it behind. Again. There we go. And now we're moving on to blankets. Who doesn't love a blanket? So good. So we're going to do first the Eggtastic, and I'll show you why it's called Eggtastic. I don't know if I sewed in my ends. Do you think I did? Oh my gosh, I must have. I didn't think I did. Okay. Great. So this is the Eggtastic stitch. Can you see the little eggs in there? So we're making an egg, like we're starting an egg and then we're closing an egg. We're starting an egg and we're closing an egg. So great. I made this with Karen Simply Soft. So it's really like squishy and stuff. It's lovely. Of course, you could make this pattern with any yarn you have on hand. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It would also look great in stripes or in one color. It would be fantastic. So that is my Eggtastic. Nice little blanket for spring. Works up quick. It's a 2-row repeat. So you're really just starting eggs and closing eggs. So 1 row you start, 1 row you close. And see that? It's a really nice pattern. Feels great. That yarn's nice. Next, tulip stitch. It wouldn't be spring without a tulip stitch, right? So this is my tulip stitch blanket. It also has a really cute border on it. Just tiny little shells just to finish it off. I feel that with a crochet pattern that has so much great stitches in it, the border doesn't have to take away from that, but also a finished edge is nice, especially on the sides. You see that? So another thing to think about for spring, instead of just doing all one color, I started with the lilac, and then the blue, then the turquoise, then the mint, the yellow, the orange, and the pink. Let me hold it sideways so maybe you can see all the colors together. There you go. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now, the other great thing about this pattern, if you've done a tulip stitch before, or if you haven't, most tulip stitches do rows of single crochet in between. 4 rows of single crochet. This is faster. This is only 3 rows of half doubles. So basically you only do like minimal rows of single crochet because it is the slowest stitch. So this works up as fast as you can work up a tulip stitch blanket. This is it right here. So out of all these 10 things to crochet for Easter, what is your favorite? What are you going to start on today? And if you've made any of them, tell us in the comments how it all turned out, and stay hooked. So excited! Oh my gosh, spring is my most fun time of year. Hold on, I gotta get you situated. There you are. Are you situated? Comfortable? Okay, I'm excited. Turn off my phone. Well, not really. Let me just check. Easter. Spring. Crochet. What's better? Nothing. Finally. Okay, hold on. This is cute, actually. It's like adorable. Okay. Now I'm trying to do this in order. Let me concentrate. All right, are we ready? Looking for fun, fast, and easy. No. Looking for fun, easy, and fast ideas to crochet. No, not ideas, they're patterns. Looking for fun, fast, and easy crochets. No. Looking for something fun, fast, and easy to crochet this spring. No, Easter. Looking for something fun, fast, and easy to crochet for Easter. No. How come I can't speak? Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, do you think I said everything? I got better count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, baskets, we talked about baskets. Eggs, yes. Did I show you the colored eggs? Probably not. Here's the colored eggs. I didn't show you those. Basket grass, table runner, the cute carrot, the easy carrot, the tulip stitch, the Eggtastic, the daisy, and the bows. Yes, we just started talking about bows a little earlier. Speaking of bows, oh my gosh, I gotta put bows on these like right now. Okay, stay hooked.